Have you ever wondered how your brain can trick you without you even realizing it? What if I told you that there's an experiment that proves your brain has massive blind spots, and you don't even know they exist? Would you still trust your mind? This story is about the invisible gorilla experiment, an experiment so powerful that it exposes how blind we really are to the things around us. Welcome to Epic English Stories, where you learn English through powerful, life-changing stories that inspire and educate. Listening to stories like this will not only improve your English but also sharpen your mindset. So, if you want to grow in language and life, hit that subscribe button now. It was the year 1999. Two psychologists, Daniel Simons and Christopher Chabris, conducted one of the most mind-bending experiments of all time. They brought in a group of people and gave them a simple task. They showed a video of 6 people passing a basketball. 3 wore white shirts, 3 wore black. The task: count how many times the people in white shirts passed the ball. Sounds easy, right? The video started. People focused intensely on counting the passes. But in the middle of the video, something unbelievable happened. A person in a full-body gorilla suit casually walked in, stood in the middle, thumped its chest like King Kong, and walked away. The gorilla was in clear sight for 9 full seconds. But when the video ended and the psychologists asked, "Did you see the gorilla?" guess what happened? More than 50% of the people never saw the gorilla. Yes, you heard that right. Over half the people were so focused on counting passes they missed the gorilla. When they replayed the video, people were shocked beyond belief. "How did I miss that?" they asked. That's how your brain works. When you intensely focus on one thing, you become blind to everything else, even if it's right in front of you. Now think about your life for a moment. What is your invisible gorilla? Are you so focused on your job that you are ignoring your health? Are you so obsessed with social media that you are ignoring real connections? Are you so caught up in earning money that you are ignoring your passion? Your brain focuses on what seems important, but often blinds you to what really matters. This is why people stay stuck in jobs they hate. Why they miss opportunities in front of them. And why most never achieve success, because they focus on the wrong things. And here's the shocking part: you don't even know you are doing it. The lesson from this experiment is powerful: your focus creates your reality. If you focus only on problems, you'll miss opportunities. If you focus only on failure, you'll miss success. If you focus only on small things, you'll miss the big picture. And here's the secret: success is often hidden in your blind spot. Your dream job, your ideal relationship, your best opportunity, it's all there. You just can't see it because you are too focused on the wrong thing. Here's a real-life example. A man named Brian worked a 9-to-5 job he hated. Every day he complained, felt exhausted, and believed success was impossible. Then, one day, he heard the invisible gorilla story. He realized his focus was on the wrong thing: pain, struggle, and failure. But never on opportunities or growth. So he changed his focus. Instead of complaining, he spent 30 minutes learning new skills. Instead of scrolling social media, he applied for new opportunities. In 6 months, his entire life changed. He found his dream job, doubled his income, and started living a fulfilled life. All because he shifted his focus. Now ask yourself, what is your invisible gorilla? Are you ignoring your dream because you are too focused on comfort? Are you missing opportunities because you are too focused on excuses? Or are you delaying success because you are too focused on failure? Comment below and tell me, what's one thing you've been ignoring in your life? Let's uncover your invisible gorilla. The truth is, success is hidden where you are not looking. Shift your focus, and your entire life will change. Remember this quote: your brain sees what you focus on. Change your focus, change your life. At Epic English Stories, we believe stories aren't just entertainment, they're powerful lessons that can change your mindset and improve your English. The more you listen, the more you grow. So, if you found this story powerful, Subscribe now for more life-changing stories. And tell us in the comments, what's the one thing you've been blind to in your life? Let's uncover it together. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and remember, your invisible gorilla might be hiding your biggest success.